Good afternoon, Smarketplace vendors. This is a short little series that I'm doing on what are the various options for things that can be added to your Smarketplace virtual mall store. So one of those is a spreadsheet of products. So let's say you have a spreadsheet of products that you sell and you would like to embed them right inside your Smarketplace store, either with a link back to your site or straight up checkout. You can check out right through here if we integrate it that way. The only thing that you need to do in order to get this spreadsheet to me is to come to the spreadsheet page under vendor options and copy this spreadsheet. It'll take you to a page like this where you will make a copy and just simply replace everything inside the spreadsheet with your own images and product descriptions and whatnot. It's a pretty quick way to do it. And then when you get done, share the spreadsheet with smarketplace.org at gmail.com. That is smarketplace.org@gmail.com, and we will integrate your products right inside your store for you. Hope this helps.